Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to start a game development series in Python. We all know that Python is one of the great programming language, and it is a great way to learn Python programming by creating games like a snake game, a Flappy Bird, a Super Mario, and many more kind of games. So whenever you create a game, that time you have to implement a logic of a game, characters, and many more things. Okay, so that will improve your logic in Python programming. So basically we are going to use a Pygame module. So Pygame is open source and third party module. That means it is a not built-in module. You have to install that module. Okay. So Pygame allows us to create a 2D game, two-dimensional game. So let's install our Pygame. So for that you have to first open your command prompt and you have to just say pip install Pygame. In my device, Pygame is already installed. That's why it is saying that requirement already satisfied. Now, let's import our Pygame module. For that, you have to just say import Pygame. The second step is one of the most important steps. The second step is that you have to initialize all the modules from our Pygame. Okay, so for that you have to just say pygame dot init. So basically init will initialize all the modules from your Pygame. Okay, so let's run our code. So here you can see that our code is working. Let's print our pygame.init. So here we are getting a tuple, a 60. So basically 60 is a ratio of success and failure. So 6 is a success ratio and 0 is a failure ratio. So 6 is success ratio, that means our module is working perfectly. Now we are going to create a game on Surface or a Windows. Okay, so for that we have to create a surface or a window. So for that first I am going to initialize one variable. So let's say game display, and in that I am going to say pygame dot display dot set mode. Okay, and in that set mode parenthesis I have to pass a tuple, a resolution tuple. Okay, so let's say I am going to pass 720 by 480. Now I am going to run our code. So that is our surface or a window. Okay, so now we are going to set a caption or a title. For that we can use pygame dot display dot set caption, and inside you have to pass a string. So let's say I am going to pass my game. Okay, the another thing is that we have to create a loop, infinite loop or a while loop. Inside that we have to initialize, or we have to set all the requirements, okay, of our game. So let's create one variable. So let's say game over is equal to false. So whenever our game over will become a true, that time our infinite loop or while loop will break. Okay, so let's create one infinite loop. Let's say while not game over, and inside that I am going to create one for loop. So let's say for events in pygame dot event dot get. So basically any event are happening on our display or a surface, that events are getting by this command, that is pygame dot event dot get. Okay, so let's say we are going to print our event. Okay, another thing is that we are going to set another event. So let's say if event dot type, so event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit. So you have to write quit in a capital letter. Okay, and inside that I will say game over is equal to true. So whenever we run a quit option, that time our game over will become a true and our game will stop. Okay, so let's run our game. So here you can see that is our my game, that is our caption. We created this caption with help of pygame.display.set caption. Okay, so this is our screen resolution 720 by 480. We created that with help of pygame.display.set mode. Okay, so here you can see that in our console we are getting something. So let's move our mouse arrow in our surface or a window. So here you can see that I am getting position. Okay, so that is a diamond, that is a position we are getting. Okay, here we printed event, that's why here we are getting a position. Okay, 2 seconds. So here we are getting a position. Okay, when I click on this cross button, that time our game over will become a true and our game will be quiet. Okay, so let's click on that. So here you can see that event 12 quiet. So it is basically saying is that we click on quit option. Okay, so we have said that event.type is equal to quit, that time our game over will become a true. Okay, so basically whenever we create any type of game, that time we have to initialize game over is equal to false, and we also initialize a while loop or infinite loop. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question about this video, you can just ask me in comment section below. In next video we are going to create shapes in Pygame on our display or a surface with help of Pygame. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. You can just let me know in comment section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.